1, 2, 3, action.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for watching. That is our YouTube channel, Bobie Entertainment. We are so glad you're supporting us online. We are trying to see how the pandemic is going around, the COVID-19. People are giving away distribution of Porsche, distribution of beans. Some people are giving out their vehicles. Wow, today we are having online here our very own artist. That is from northern Uganda. You all know Coco Finger, Atin Luo, Atin Pashu. Let's take a look at that is from Coco Finger.
Yes, it's a special delivery from the Luo ambassador. Greetings I bring from northern Uganda. Yo! Loho chingwi chabun kede piya chill. Bedu Pashu man kare me quarantine. E chill come kede proper hygiene. Coronavirus. Tia te kudano ko? Yes. Utin Pashu tia uningo. Let me hope everyone is okay. Apoyo unu beda chunyu tek, apoyo unu boko chill kom kede, boko chikame government kede Ministry of Health ukobinijo lubi, mego here kom tu amolo ni coronavirus, meri beda me loko chingo kede chabun kitama iwini kede wero. So on my behalf as Coco Finger, kede unu shooting Pashu because this I'm doing on behalf of all of us. You see, the area manati ekane around Entebbe, Kauku, Kachindu, tamani are offering utahawani ene is a Range Rover for emergency kila do parking kirigia gia timape tikpe at the moment, so kila dia parking kilipashi kana tamani are offering mekonyo for emergency cases around here in case of any disease, not only coronavirus, any disease for emergency. Kisubi hospital pebori kanene, then Entebbe Grade B hospital pebori kanene kope more we can sort it out, so it's not for just for emergency. Atamoni government numero mi LC's work the chairman gime at least me konyu jo kada no komelit ati ka gire choba lo morote mi yud pin kita dong main transport pay in public means pay mi ka chairman gitu choi dano balu dano at least one boda nyo to amor pero ter emergency to konyu dano, otherwise to hamana offering en kane T space it's spacious kama dano komeli gire to atu to berukano e ka driving kane ne. Yeah, let me show you from outside. Is it? Yes. So yeah, kita kopi oke deh. Apa ya untuk tual melu bucik? Go here unu. Maintain proper hygiene. Yes, I love you so much. We're nyenti abinu tia Paul. So go ahead untuk tual be go huni chilkom. Thank you everybody. Jo nama boke. Man gina mati mo ni kono atipa shukunu kom nang mati mukitu eno. Again nuadia bor. Eto let us do it here. For the people around tamu area nagire tinlu tikane ne jomo duch dano wenga metikane all my people around here. Yes, otherwise miruna be chutkonyu have a good time. Ding Coco Finger.
That was Coco Finger live straight away from Entebbe, where he is right there. One when you go and Kobe wa me China me okay the time me the in langi duchu ameti area kununu no one kuni chunga chilke do support Bobie Entertainment. Thank you very much for watching us. Subscribe our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook. Thank you so much. It is supported by Ultimate Media. It is supported by Ultimate Media.